Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to turn off background apps and boost performance on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone master. So I'm going to click on here to open up my phone master. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to privacy protection. Next thing you need to do is to click on app launch. So it's going to take you right here. At this point here, each time you on your phone, all these apps here are running in the background and consuming the performance of your Android phone. What you need to do is to simply turn off this particular button right here. So you can turn off as many as possible apps that you don't want them to start running in the background or as at the time when you on your phone. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to turn off background apps and boost performance on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.